Hi, dresser cuties. Winnie here. Hooray! We're going to draw a Christmas tree today. So let's get started. It's easy and fun. Our holiday drawing has just begun. Our step 1, the shining star. We'll draw the big star right on the top with one sharp angle. Then we quickly stop, bring the sides down, 2 points so neat. Then aim for the center where the lines must meet. Do the same on the left. Make the shape just right. Our star is now ready to twinkle so bright. Step 2, the green tree layers. Now for the tree. Let's give it 3 tiers. Starting the first with holiday cheers. Come out from the star. Then a layer of curves you make. 2 soft curves to finish, for goodness sake. Then 1 layer. Down, make it a bit longer still. More graceful curves to adorn the green hill. Again, towards the center, 1 big curve we trace, giving our second layer beauty and grace. Step 3, the base and fluffy bottom. 1 last layer. Lower, let the branches all flow. Then draw many curves for the snow fluffy base below. Don't worry if it's uneven, just curve as you go. 1 final curve to finish the bottom edge slow. Step 4, the pot and cute face. Now find the center, draw 2 straight lines below, then connect the bottom for the stand. Watch it grow. Time for the fun part. A draw so cute big eye we place. Then another big circle to complete the cute face. Add 2 small circles for highlights so keen. Shade in the top lids, the cutest you've seen. A soft little curve over each eye, and a sweet smile right in the middle. Oh my! Draw a curve above the face, and cap it right off. Our tree is smiling. No need to scoff. Step 5, garland and ornaments. Let's start the decorating. With garlands so grand, draw curves flowing softly across the whole land. Follow your top line, and thicken it up with a twin for a beautiful strand where the fun can begin. Do the same on the next layer with more curvy style to make our tree sparkle for a very long while. Now add some ornaments hanging down low, small circles and shapes, changing their row. You can add sparkles, just a light touch with the pen, to make our bright star shine like never again. Conclusion: we've finished our tree, it's ready to shine. A cute Christmas drawing, truly divine. I hope you loved this and drew it with glee. If so, please like and subscribe. You'll help little Winnie. See you later, dear friends. For more drawings and fun, happy holidays to all. Our cute tree is done.